Hey guys, Matt with Alligator Performance here, and this is the product review for the BD Diesel Xtrude double stack transmission cooler, part number 1030606-DS-12 for the half-inch line kit and -58 for the 5/8 line kit, available at alligatorperformance.com. Real quick on the fitment, this is a universal fit product. So basically you can go ahead and mount this wherever you have room. In your engine bay if you have a spot for it, underneath your truck, or in your bed. Along with that, the half-inch line kit is more so directed at the Dodge and Ford transmission guys, while the 5/8 line kit is directed more towards the Chevy GM guys with the Allison 1000. BD also offers a cooler only kit. Basically it'll just come with the transmission cooler and the fan, and everything else is all up to you. Also, on a side note, these transmission coolers are not a standalone unit. They're meant to run with your factory transmission cooler, so leave your factory one intact in place there, and then this one runs through that. Jumping in the cooler uses BD's Xtrude double stack cooler design, which creates a large surface area for optimal cooling. Uses a thermostatically controlled 10-inch 800 CFM electric fan, which basically means the fan's going to move a lot of air, and it's automatically controlled with a sensor, so there's no need to have a manual switch. The kit includes half-inch or 5/8 hoses, depending on what kit you choose. Has build-it-yourself galvanized brackets for universal mounting, barb fittings with crushed sleeves to go ahead and mount to your factory lines. JIC fittings for the top of the cooler. Has the sensor adapter with the included sensor. This sensor is designed to go ahead and kick on at 180 degrees, and it turns off at 165 degrees, so it kind of hits that perfect spot there. Complete wiring harness with an inline fuse and relay. And of course, mounting hardware, clamps, and zip ties. We have these coolers on a couple of our shop trucks here, and I can confidently say that they're probably the best transmission cooling system on the market, whether it's for competition use, drag racing, sled pull, whatever, or just for the higher horsepower towing applications. A lot of times those higher horsepower trucks have to use higher line pressure in those transmissions, which creates higher temperature. So just cruising, you know, a guy can be at 200 degrees, and as soon as he hits up on a load, or as soon as he hooks up on a load, then 215, 220 degrees all day long, if not more, especially if you're on a hot day or any type of incline. You're going to go ahead and jump those temperatures, and one of these coolers will go ahead and counter that and bring that back into a manageable temperature for you. Alright guys, I'll leave a description and some links below to our site, and if you have any questions, shoot us a message on live chat, connect with us on social, or give us a shout at 866-255-7212. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more product reviews.